Welcome to the heart of England, where history, culture, and modernity intertwine to create a vibrant tapestry of experiences. Welcome to London. London is a destination that offers visitors various attractions and activities to explore. From the bustling streets of the city centre to the rural countryside, London has something to offer everyone. Our first stop is the formidable Tower of London, a historic castle with over 1,000 years of history. You'll witness tales of power, betrayal, and royal grandeur here. Explore the many chambers and towers, see the crown jewels, and learn about the fascinating history of the tower. Walk through the tower's ancient walls and experience the sights and sounds of a bygone era. We've come to Buckingham Palace, a symbol of royalty and elegance, a living piece of history with architectural marvels and the changing of the guard. The impressive palace is home to the Queen and the royal family and is a must-see for any visitor to London. Visitors can explore the staterooms, gardens, and art galleries and catch a glimpse of the Queen and her family as they pass by. Rising gracefully over the River Thames, the London Eye offers a bird's-eye view of the city's sprawling beauty, a modern testament to London's innovative spirit. It is one of the most popular tourist attractions in the town, drawing millions of visitors each year. It has become a symbol of London, a reminder of the city's resilience and creativity. Westminster Abbey is a Gothic masterpiece, a place of worship and celebration, and a silent witness to British history. It is a world-famous symbol of British culture and an enduring reminder of the nation's past. It is also a pilgrimage site for many visitors from around the world. The bridge was designed by Sir Horace Jones and was opened in 1894. It spans the River Thames and is an iconic symbol of the capital. It is also a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The bridge is still in use today and is one of London's most popular tourist destinations. It is a symbol of the city's strength and resilience. Art enthusiasts rejoice at our next destination, the National Gallery, home to over 2,300 paintings, offering a journey through the evolution of art, with masterpieces from the 13th to the 19th centuries. The National Gallery is a must-see for any art lover, with its vast collection of works by some of the world's most renowned artists. Visitors can explore careers by Botticelli, Monet, Van Gogh, and more. Now, let's breathe in tranquility at Hyde Park, London's green lung, offering a refreshing blend of nature and leisure activities in the city's heart. Hyde Park is a great place to relax and unwind. Stroll through the gardens, picnic, run, or even enjoy an open-air concert. It's also a great place to take a break from the city's hustle and bustle. No trip to London is complete without witnessing the grandeur of Big Ben, a true icon of London, standing tall with stories of time woven into its mechanisms. Big Ben symbolizes resilience and strength, standing strong through the centuries and surviving wars and political turmoil. It is a reminder of the stability and power of the city and its people. So here we are, having whisked through the marvels of London, a city where every corner holds a story waiting to be discovered. Join us as we uncover more gems in this city of endless wonders. But for now, it's goodbye from the heart of England, a place where dreams meet history. Explore London, where history meets the present. See you soon on another exciting journey. Until then, Keep exploring.